Welcome back to our channel. This is the third class of force. Make sure that you watched first two parts. In this class, we are discussing the types of forces. Force is mainly divided into two types, contact force and non-contact force. Contact force are forces in which two objects are in contact with each other. A similar example we discussed in our previous class, that of pushing a trolley. Here you can see that a contact between the person's hand and the trolley. So we can say that this is an example for contact force. Now, the two contact forces that we are discussing here are muscular force and frictional force or force of friction. Muscular force is a force that results due to the action of muscles. For example, when a man is pedaling a cycle, due to the interaction of muscles on his legs, the cycle is moving. Now, why we are able to write using a pen? The muscles on our arms expand and contract. Due to the action of these, we are able to hold a pen and hence to write. On pushing a table also, the muscular force plays a role. The second contact force is the force of friction that arises due to the contact between two surfaces. Already done a detailed video of frictional force in basic concepts. Please refer that also. A ball is moving on a surface and after some time it will stop due to a resistance by the surface of floor. This resistance is the friction, which is acting in the opposite direction of the movement of the ball. The reason why we are able to walk is nothing but this frictional force. While walking, we are pushing our feet to the backward direction. In turn, the floor exerting a force which is in the forward direction and hence we are able to walk. The second kind of force is the non-contact force. This is the force on an object without having a physical contact with another object. We know that if we are throwing up a ball, it will fall towards the earth. From figure, it is clear that there is no direct contact between the ball and the surface of earth, even though it will fall towards the earth due to the gravitational force. Earth attracts every body towards its center. So, gravitational force is an example for non-contact force. What about placing an iron nail close to a bar magnet without touching it? As we know, the nail will stick on the magnet. So, magnetic force is also a non-contact force. Now, we are combing our dry hair with a plastic comb and placing that comb near to some piece of paper. Then, yes, the piece of paper will attract towards the comb. So we can say that due to the rubbing of the comb with our hair, the comb is acquiring some charge or it will become electrically charged. So it can attract the piece of paper. So the electrostatic force, which is the force between electrically charged particle or object at rest, is also a non-contact force. Hope the concepts are clear to all. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell button also.